Hi, this is Siddharth here from Team Digit, and today we are at a press conference in Mumbai where Nokia announced the launch of the Nokia X. It's the first in a family of affordable phones from Nokia that can run Android apps. The phone is priced at a market operating price of rupees 8,599 and will be available starting today. So let's just check it out. Okay, so trying out the Nokia X here. Just quickly see what the UI looks like. Is it fast enough? Is it fluid enough? So swiping to the left gives you the fast lane feature where all your recent apps, messages and everything else is integrated, even your missed calls. So this is what it pretty much looks like, and this is the main home screen. You have just one back button. Long pressing it gives you takes you right back to this screen. Let's look at the build. This is supposed to be a 3 megapixel camera on the back. It's pretty rugged. For a budget phone, it feels pretty well built. In fact, at this press conference, they started it off by throwing it right onto the stage, and it kind of proves the whole legendary Nokia build quality that we are pretty much used to. This screen seems to be pretty cluttered, and I think all your apps do keep coming up right at the bottom here. Okay, so let's check out the store because that's something most people want to see. So the store is populated by a couple of default Nokia store apps. An interesting thing is that if you search for an app, see, look at the response a little off. So if you search for an app, it will apparently give you listings from other stores. So if another store in the free market has it, you can install the store itself and the app should be downloaded. Now that's not a guarantee whether the app will actually work or not, because it turns out about 25% of the apps which use Google APIs will not work. So let me just search for some. Right? Let's see if it finds Pixlr. Now you see this is the app store that it's pointing to. That's the Aptoide app store. And it gave a Nokia suggestion also for a collage maker. So from here I can just go to open. The particular app store which has it will open, and then I can download the app. Right? So that was about the app store. The phone calling UI looks like this. Here you have additional settings which are not so apparent, but I know of it because I saw it in the demo. Couple of preloaded apps like Opera and all are already there. I think I will switch on the camera just to give you an idea of what the camera looks like. There ought to have been a search, but no. Okay. So this is what the 3 megapixel clicker looks like. Right? The UI is very, very familiar thanks to the Nokia devices that we are used to. I mean Lumia devices that we used to. So let's go back to the home screen. So one of the apps during the demo took a little while to open. Let me see if I can find it. So this is hotels.com. I've clicked on it right now, and you saw the delay, the lag. So that's something that alludes to the fact that this is after all a budget phone, right? So that's about it. Thank you.